Today we are going to discuss how to make money online 5 easy ways. So let's start. First one is drive for Uber or Lyft. Companies like Uber and Lyft offer a great opportunity to make some extra cash. You will need a clean driving record, a fairly new car, and the authorization to work whether it is that you live. If you have all of those things, you can work when it's feasible for you. Whether it's that middle of the day, during rush hours, or the wee hours of the night on a weekend, the choice is yours. Second one is become a market research participant. One way you can earn real money without the hassle is by participating in the market research. It's fairly easy money for not a lot of work, like completing an online survey with your thoughts on a company's products. Or companies may ask you to join a focus group to simply share your opinion and will compensate you with cash or a gift card. Third one is flip real estate contracts. If you are thinking this side hustle is cost prohibitive, it's not. You can flip real estate contracts on your spare time without ever taking possession of the property. This isn't a fixer upper and where just securing a contract and selling it to any interested party. That's it. You can do this with just few $100 in most cases to open up escrow. There are companies dedicated to teaching how to do this like you. It's good for making a little bit of extra money, but it is also potentially something more long term as well. The number 5 is give blood. You can make around $20 to $50 per donation of blood, depending on if your blood type is rare or common. You can also donate plasma. Different states have different minimum requirements that must be paid when people donate plasma. So guys, this is the end of the video. I have just gave you some 5 easy ways you can earn money. I think these are the most simple and easy ways to earn money. First one was drive for Uber or Lyft. Second one was become a market research participant. Third one was flip real estate contracts. And the fourth one and fifth one is give blood. So guys, that's it for today. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the video. Also suggest me in the comments how to better my videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.